is the Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here the work improvement. This is what I've come to do. How to test starter motor. How to test a starter motor. This is the starter, and people use two jump cables to do that. Use one here, negative here, is positive here, and my own is only one cable. So how to test starter motor with one cable? Have your cable, have your starter, have your 12 volts battery. So my own is only one cable, but not the two, but one cable. So you put this one here, the positive and negative. You subscribe to my YouTube channel and help and work improvement. Love you, sharing, like my video, follow me everywhere. Then here we go to know how to test a starter with one cable. Follow me. Let's go. So this is it. I have a positive here with a positive cable here. Put it here. And then this is it. You see one cable, but it's into two ways. Then your starter is this. So the body of the starter will go to the negative side. Right. So it's like this one. And this is the positive related to the battery. So now here we go. Check this place how the action will be. These are shooting. These are shooting. Here we go. And right here, that. See. So it's one cable that I use to test. So if you know this, the stress, if you can't get the two jumps that cables, that means you cannot test your starter. But right now you can check it with only one cable. Put the negative, the positive, connect to the battle terminal positive side, and then the negative, the body to the negative side. Then you put it like this. That's it. So this is a K garage. This is a K garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and help the improvement. So here we go. All you need is one cable, and then your starter, and your 12-volt battery. You're good to go. Tests, then you move. So a K garage is ready to offer you good things. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, you share, follow me, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, like and share. For your help, may push me every time to give you more videos about cars, right? Cars. So this is it. Don't worry at all. Get your things there. It's only this. Your battle starter and then your cable. For because it's these things here is the body, is the positive, here is the negative, and then we divide this cable. It's only one cable, we divide it into two. The small one go inside this, and then the big one will come here. So this is a K garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is starter, how to test starter with one cable. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and know what it is. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help the K garage to move forward. Thank you very much. So this starter cable and a 12 volt battery, and you are good to go.